Okay, we are at the Highlands collection of American West, still in the southwest part of Vegas. This is the Emerald floor plan, but it's kind of cool. I'll show you once we get on the second story how it works. Let's check out the bottom floor real quick. We're starting at the front door just like last time. You've got a little bathroom right here on the right, a half bath. Big open floor plan, bottom floor, super popular, everybody wants it. Something that's kind of cool with the American West homes is their islands, they kind of double as a table. So you don't absolutely have to have your own dining table. You got the sitting place, it's kind of whatever fits your style. And over here, Sebastian's trying to show you the built-in fireplace. Okay, let's go up to the second story. So, 2,000 square feet for the first and second story. You're looking at about $313,000 for the first two stories. And with this floor plan, basically for an additional 700 square feet on the third floor, you add another $20,000. So you're looking at like mid 330s, okay? We got the master over here on the right. This is on the second story again. Something that American West did really well in this floor plan is go check out that shower. And then you'll come back over this way and you'll be able to see laundry room, which is right next to the two bedrooms, which is nice. So we have the laundry room on the same floor as the bedrooms, which is all gonna be right here on the right. Bedrooms are a decent size with a shared bathroom on the left from the bedroom. So like I mentioned, for $313,000, this is where the floor plan ends. It's a great floor plan. But if you're wanting that extra space, let's go upstairs for another $20,000. We're talking about a whole separate seating area and another bathroom and another bedroom. Talk about something for the kids or teenagers or whatever it might be. You've got the seating area downstairs with the TV, and then look at this toy room, gaming room, home theater, whatever you might want it to be. It's a huge addition for the price. Plus you got that big bedroom, big bathroom with double sink. So once again, we're talking about mid 330s for all three stories, 313, 315 for the two stories. And just remember guys, when you go to a new build, that salesman represents the best interest of the builder, not you. So make sure you take your own representation. If you don't have your own realtor already, I'd be more than happy to go with you and help you out. Give me a call and let's go check out some homes.